guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Purple Hole Wheel. Let's unbox it together. In the face wash powder from Good Vibes. Gold sheet mask from Good Vibes. This is Dot & Key watermelon cucumber face wash. Dot & Key barrier repairing moisturizer. Dot & Key sunscreen. This is barrier repairing sunscreen. Moisturizer in the same benefits of sunscreen. Repairing milky toner. Aloe vera gel. Then hair and face use and last we have turmeric face serum from Himalaya. Try it. Like, comment,